Good morning and welcome back to our mathematics class, dear students. In the last class, we discussed some problems based on the section algebraic method. All the problems are over in that section, and today we want to take the new section, different problems. This is also based on the algebraic method, right? Okay, one problem. Look on the board. 10 added to thrice a number makes 5 times the number. What is the number? We want to find the number. In all the previous problems, to find the number, we want to take that number as x, variable x. Similarly, in this problem also, what is the number? We want to find the number. Therefore, take the number as x. Let the number is equal to x. And what things we want to do with this number x? Study the problem. 10 added to thrice a number. What is thrice a number? Number is x. Thrice a number is equal to 3x. We know. Thrice a number is 3x. 10 added to thrice a number. Thrice a number is 3x. 10 added to that thrice a number means 3x plus 10. 10 added to thrice a number makes, means gives or equals what? 5 times the number. Number is x, 5 times the number is 5x. This one is something different in the previous problems, right? Okay. What is the peculiarity? What is the difference of this problem related to the previous problems? In both sides, this is an equation because equal sign comes, both sides x comes, right? Right side 5x is there, left side 3x is there. On both sides of this equation, variable comes, right? Okay, then how can we simplify this? And how can we find x by simplifying this equation? On both sides x, we want to put together x. Either we want to convert the left side x to the right side or right side x to the left side. Then both x are combined together, right? Then which one is the larger? Which x is larger here? Right side x or left side x? Right side x is 5x, left side x is 3x. Which one is larger? 5x. 5x is larger than 3x. We know that. Therefore, we want to convert or transform this 3x into the right side, to right side. Therefore, on the right side 5x there, we want to transform this 3x to the right side as minus 3x. 3x to be added here, it goes to the right side as subtract. Right? Operation will change, that we know. Therefore, 5x is here. This 3x goes to the right side as minus 3x. Then what will be remaining in the left side? On the left side, 3x went to the right side. Right? Then the remaining number is 10. What happened to this 3x? 3x went to the right side. Right? And 5x is there, already there. And if this 3x goes to the right side as minus 3x, then the remaining term is 10 only. Then simplify this. 5x minus 3x. Out of the 5x, subtract 3x. 3x subtract. From 5x, subtract 3x. How much will remaining? 2x. 2x will be remaining there. Right? Is equal to 10. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then x variable is there. Variable will not be subtracted. The coefficient is only to be subtracted. Then 5 minus 3, 2. Variable, same variable is the 2x. Left side number is 10. 10 is equal to 2x. Therefore, what is x? X. We want to find x. Therefore, on other side number is 10. This 2 goes to the LHS as what? Which operation? Division. Because 2 is to be multiplied here. 2x means 2 into x. That operation will change us to the right side, left side as division. That we know. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 is equal to x. Now we got the value of x, that is x equal to, what is x? The number is equal to x, the number taken as x. Therefore, the number is equal to 5. You can verify the value is correct or not by applying this. 10 added to thrice a number makes 5 times the number. You want to verify it. Okay. Then got the answer as 5. Okay, next problem. Next, 36 added to 13 times a number gives 31 times the number. Similar problem. What is the number? So at once we can take the number as x. Let the number is equal to x. What things we want to do with this x, with this number? 36 added to what? 13 times a number. 13 times a number means 13x. To 13x, what we want to add? 36 added. Therefore, 13x plus 36 gives equals what? 31 times the number. 31 times the number. Therefore, 31x. Right? We got the equation as 13x plus 36 equal to 31x. How can we simplify? On both sides, x comes. X is there on both sides. On the right side, 31x. On the left side, 13x. On the right side of equal sign, 31x. Left side of equal sign, 13x. Which one is the larger one? 31x. You know that. Therefore, this 13x goes to the right side as 31x to the number. 13x goes to the right side as minus 13x. Right? Then what will be remaining in the left side? On the left side, 13x went there. The remaining number is 36 only. Right? Okay. Then how much is 31x minus 13x? 31 minus 13. How much is that? 18. X is the variable is the 18x. Out of this 31x, we want to subtract 13x. We will get 18x. 31 minus 13. Right. X is the. X will not be subtracted. Coefficient only will be subtracted. Okay. Then subtracting we will get 18x. On the left side 36. Then we want to find x. Therefore x is equal to. On the left side number 36. This 18 is to be multiplied here. Goes to the other side as division. 36 by 18 how much? 2. Therefore we got x as 2. That is the number as 2. And what is the number? Number is 2. And do these operations with the number. We will get the correct equation. Okay. Verify it. The next problem. Okay. Next problem. 12 added to 3 times a number is equal to 2 added to 5 times the number. What is the number? Here also we want to find the number. So in the previous cases, as in the previous cases, we can take the number is equal to x. What we want to do with this x? 12 added to 3 times a number. 3 times a number is 3x. 12 added to that. Then 3x plus 12 is equal to what? 2 added. 2 added to what? 5 times the number. 5 times the number is 5x. 5 times the number 5x. 2 added to 5 times the number means 5x plus 2. Now we got an equation. What is the peculiarity of the equation? On both sides of the equation, variable and numbers are clear. Right? On the LHS left side, equal sign left side, variable is there, number is there. Equal sign right side, variable is there, number is there. On both sides there are variable and number. We want to put together variable on one side and numbers on the other side. Then only we can simplify. Okay. Okay. Then, with respect to the variable x, which one is the larger, 3x or 5x? 5x. 5x is larger one. Therefore, we can take this 3x to the right side. That is 5x. This 3x goes to the right side as minus 3x. Now, x is on the same side. This 3x to the right side as minus 3x. 5x is there. Therefore, 5x minus 3x. X is combined. Similarly, we can combine the numbers. On the left side, 3x went to the right side. The remaining number is the 12. Right? 3x gone and 12 is there. Here 5x is here. This plus 2 on the left side. Take this plus 2 to the left side as minus 2. Plus changes as minus. Plus 2. Minus 2. Okay. Now the number is on the same side and variables are on the same side. Other side. Okay. Then subtract. 12 minus 2. 10. Right. And 5x minus 3x. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. Variable is x. Therefore, what is x? X is equal to, on the other side number is 10 and this 2 is to be multiplied, goes to the left side as by 2. How much is x? Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, you got as 5. The number as 5. You can verify with these 5 of these operations and find it correct or not. Okay? Got the idea? Clear? Okay, we can take the next problem. Okay, next one. Something different one. Age problem. That is so important. So important problem is age problem. Then read. The age of Apu's mother is 9 times that of Apu. Age relation between Apu and Apu's mother. Given as Apu's mother is 9 times that of Apu's age. After 9 years, it would be, the relation would be 3 times. In the previous case, it is 9 times. Now it is 9 times. The relation between Apu's mother and Apu's age is 9 times. And after 9 years, the relation would be 3 times. What are their ages now? We want to find their Apu's and Apu's mother's age now. Then, what we want to find? Ages of Apu and Apu's mother. Then look on the problem. The age of Apu's mother is 9 times that of Apu. If you know the age of Apu, you take 9 times of that, you will get the age of Apu's mother. Right? If you know what is the age of Apu, take the 9 times of that, then you will get the age of Apu's mother. Therefore, we want to take the age of Apu as x. Right? Therefore, age of Apu is equal to x. Present age. Present age of Apu is equal to x. Then what is the present age of Apu's mother? Present age of Apu's mother. What will be it? Apu's mother. Apu's mother is 9 times that of Apu. 9 times. Apu's age of Apu 9 times is Apu's mother's age. Therefore 9x. X and 9x are the present ages of Apu and Apu's mother. Okay, got the idea? Then, in the next sentence, starting of that, after 9 years. 9 years after, what will become to the ages? Is it increase or decrease? After 9 years. Surely it will be increased. Right? Therefore, how much time increase? 9 years increase. 9 years increase in the case of Apu's and Apu's mother. Right? Therefore, what after 9 years, you want to first find 9 years means plus 9. Age will be increased. Therefore, x plus 9. A same increase in the case of Apu's mother also. Therefore, after 9 years, age of Apu's mother. What will be it? Apu's present age of Apu's mother is 9x. After 9 years means plus 9. Therefore, 9x plus 9. Got it? Present age of Apu is taken as x. Then present age of Apu's mother is taken as 9x because it is given that 9 times of the age of Apu. Therefore, 9x. That's okay. Then after 9 years, you want to find out the age of Apu and Apu's mother. Then you can take the relation between both. Right. Therefore, after 9 years, you want to write the ages of Apu and Apu's mother first. But after 9 years, what is the age of Apu? What will be the age of Apu? X plus 9 because 9 here increasing. Therefore, x plus 9. Same case of Apu's mother. Age of Apu's mother equal to present age of Apu's mother is 9x. Therefore, 9x plus 9. Got it. Now, the relation between these two ages. Ages after 9 years, the relation is it would be 3 times. These two ages, the relation is 3 times. What is 3 times? The age of Apu's mother is 3 times that of Apu's age. Present age is 9 times. After 9 years, it would be 3 times. Therefore, Apu's mother's age is 3 times that of Apu's age. Therefore, we can write the relation as Apu's mother's age is 9x plus 9 after 9 years is equal to 3 times that of Apu. 3 times, 3 into. Apu's age is x plus 9. 3 into x plus 9. Apu's age is x plus 9. 3 times means 3 into x plus 9. This is the relation between Apu's and Apu's mother's age after 9 years. Got the idea? Apu's age is x plus 9. 3 times means 3 into. 3 times Apu's age is equal to Apu's mother's age. That is 9x plus 9. Now we got the equation. We want to simplify this. Find x. Okay. Then simplify. 9x plus 9. Left side is like that. And on the right side, what we want to do? 3 into x plus 9. We want to multiply x plus 9 with 3 by 3. 3 into x plus 9. You want to multiply this 3 with both numbers inside the bracket. 3. Multiply this 3 with x and also this 3 with 9. 3 into x, 3 into 9. Because in the bracket there are two terms. Which are they? X and 9. So we want to multiply this 3 with not only with x but with 9 also. Therefore what will we get? 3 into x, 3x. Sign is addition. 3 into 9, 3 into 9, 27. 27. Right? Okay. Then in this equation, now you got an equation, and in this equation what is the peculiarity? On the left side and on the right side, variable and numbers are there. Right? Here the variable is 9x, here the variable is 3x. Here the number is 9, right side number is 27. As in the previous problem, we want to put together variables on the one side and numbers on the other side. Therefore, which variable is larger? Here 9x, here 3x. Which one is larger? 9x. Therefore, we want to take this 3x to the LHS, the left side. Therefore, 9x is here. This 3x comes to the left side as minus 3x. Therefore, variables are on the same side. Equal to, equal sign. This 3x went into the LHS, then the remaining number is there, 27. And you want to take the number 9 to the RHS, right side, on the other side. The 9 is to be 6. Variable is there, x. 6x equal to 27 minus 9. How much? 18. Therefore, x equal to, what is x? On the right side number is 18 divided by, this 6 is to be multiplied here, goes to the right side as division. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. What is x? We got x as 3. What is x? X is the age of Appu. Appu's age is 3 years. Therefore, Appu's age, we want to find the ages now. Present age of Appu. Appu's age is equal to 3 years. Appu is a small baby. Right? 3 years old baby. Okay. Then what will be Appu's mother's age? Appu's mother's age is equal to what? 9 times. 9 times that of Appu. Given in the equation, given in the problem. Appu's age is 3. 9 times means 9 into 3 is equal to 27 years. These are the present ages of Appu and Appu's mother. Do the problem very well and work out this problem. You will get the idea. Okay? Next problem. Okay, next problem on page number 44. Some problems are there. Exercise. First problem. In that first one. Ticket rate for the science exhibition is 10 rupees for a child and 26 rupees for an adult. Science exhibition is there. For a child, ticket rate is 10 rupees and for an adult, 26 rupees. One adult, 26 rupees. One child, 10 rupees. That is the ticket charge. 740 rupees was got from 50 persons. There comes 50 persons. These 50 persons means including children and adults. That is the total 50. How many children came? How many adults came? We don't know. We want to find that. Totally 50 persons came. And out of this 50 persons, 740 rupees was got as ticket charge. How many children among them? We want to find the number of children to see science exhibition. Okay? So, what we want to find? We can take it as the variable x. Therefore, here the number of children. Therefore, number of children can be taken as x. Then, what will be the number of adults? How many persons are there? 50 persons came for the science exhibition. Out of these 50 persons, number of children are x. The remaining is the number of adults. What is the remaining? Out of the 50, x is children. The remaining is number of adults. Therefore, the number of adults is equal to what? Total 50 minus the number of children. 50 minus x is the number of adults because total is 50. Okay, we got the number of children and number of adults. X and 50 minus x. Then what is given? Ticket rate. Ticket charge is given for a child and an adult. For a child, ticket charge is 10 rupees. How many children came for the exhibition? X. Therefore, what is the total ticket charge? For one child, 10 rupees. For X children, how many? 10x. Ticket charge. Okay, one more step. Ticket charge for children. How much ticket charge for the children is? For a child, 10 rupees. For how many children came? X children, therefore 10x. Ticket charge for adults. How much? Number of adults is 50 minus x. For one adult, how much is the ticket rate? 26. Therefore, the number of adults is 50 minus x into 26. For one adult, 26 rupees. For 50 minus x adults, 50 minus x into 26 is the number of, is the ticket rate. Got the idea? Number of children x, number of adults 50 minus x. Ticket charge is for a child 10, therefore x children ticket charge is 10x. For an adult 26 rupees, therefore 50 minus x adults ticket charge is 50 minus x into 26. The ticket charge total got as 740. For both the children and adult, total ticket charge is 740. What is the total? 10x, that is ticket charge for children, plus adults 50 minus x into 26 is the ticket charge. Both gives what? 740. Now what idea? 740 is the total ticket charge. We find out separately ticket rate of separate children and adults separately. Children ticket rate is 10x. Adults ticket rate is 50 minus x into 26. Both gives 740. Simplify this, find x. Okay. Then simplifying 10x. 10x is there. What we want to hear? 50 minus x multiplied by 26. 26 is multiplied with not only 50 but x also. Then 50 into like this. In the bracket there are two terms 50 and x. You want to multiply both terms with 26. 50 into 26. Sign is minus. Then x into 26 is equal to what? 740. Got the multiplication? 50 into 26 this one minus x into 26 this one. That is 10x plus how much is that? 26 into 15? 1300 minus x into 26 is 26x equal to what? 740. Got it? Okay. Now on the right side number is on number only, and on the left side variables are there and number is there. Therefore we want to take the 740, the number 740 to the other side, next side, that is the left side. Then the number is there 1300, and we want to take the 740 towards this minus 740. Right? Then on this side numbers are there, and we want to transfer this 10x and minus 26x on the right side. Variables are there 10x and minus 26x. Then minus 26x goes to the right side as plus 26x. Subtraction plus. Sign changed. Minus is changed as positive. And this 10x to be added here goes to the right side as minus 10x. On the right side number 740 is here minus 740. 1300 is here 1300. 740 minus 740 minus 26 goes to the right side plus 10x goes to the right side minus 10x. Now we got an equation on one side. In this on one side numbers only, other side variables only. So easy to simplify. How much is this? 1300 minus 740. Subtract 0. 560. Therefore this number subtraction is 560. Then how much is this? 26x minus 10x. 26 minus 10, 16x. We got 16x. Look what is x? X is equal to, on this side number 560. This 16 is to be multiplied here, goes to the left side as division. Divide it. 560 divided by 16. How much? 3 times 48. Right? Subtract. Right? Then next number is 0. in 80, 16, how many times? 16 into 64. Then 5 times 80. 16 in 80 correctly how many times? 5 times. Then 5 16, 80, remainder 0. Therefore, what is x? We got x as 560 by 16 as 35. What is 35? X is 35 and what we take as x? X is the number of children. So we want to conclude our class. Before that, some problems, homework. On page number 37, third problem, 4 simple sub-questions are there. In each of the problems below, the result of doing some operations on a number is given. Find the number. In the first one, 3 added to double is 101. 3 added to double of what? Double of the number. You want to find the number, so first of all you can take the number as x, right? Let the number be x, then double of the number. You know how much is that? 3 added to double of the number is 101. Second, 2 added to triple. Triple means triple of the number. Number is x. Triple of the number, 2 added gives 101. Third one, 3 subtracted from double of the number is 101. Double of the number. From the double of the number, 3 subtracted gives 101. Fourth one, 2 subtracted from triple. Triple of the number is 101. From the triple of the number, 2 subtracted gives 101. Find the number. In all the 4 problems, you want to find the number. So easy problems are there. Okay. Now we want to conclude. We will meet in the next class.